Looking for a drone that shoots stunning 4K footage without breaking the bank? Stay tuned because today I'll reveal the top 5 best 4K drones of 2025 that are packed with pro features at budget-friendly prices. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best 4K drones of 2025, covering product details, reviews, and pros so you can pick the perfect drone for your adventures. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. P7 Max 8K Drone. The P7 Max is a high-end professional GPS drone with 8K Ultra HD cameras, 20 km digital image transmission, and a brushless motor for stability. It comes with a screen remote control for real-time FPV. Customer reviews. Pilots love the long 20 km range and say it's excellent for capturing aerial shots in crystal clarity. Pros: 8K professional camera, 20 km image transmission, screen-equipped remote, GPS plus stable brushless motors, foldable design for portability. Number 2. V168 MAX Mini Drone. Compact yet powerful, the V168 MAX Mini Drone features 8K dual cameras, a foldable design, long-range Wi-Fi FPV, and portable RC app control. Perfect for beginners or casual flyers. Customer reviews. Users say it's lightweight, travel-friendly, and delivers surprisingly sharp video quality for its size. Pros: portable foldable design, dual 8K cameras, Wi-Fi FPV with RC app control, long flight range for its size. Great balance of price and performance. Number 3. SG109 4K GPS Drone. This drone packs a 4K HD camera with 5G Wi-Fi FPV and a large 4.5-inch screen remote control. GPS functionality helps with return to home, stability, and precise navigation. Customer reviews. Owners appreciate the easy controls and reliable GPS, making it ideal for new drone pilots. Pros: 4K HD camera with 5G Wi-Fi, GPS with smart features, large screen remote included, beginner-friendly operation, strong battery life. Number 4. K19 MAX 4K Drone. The K19 MAX is built for stability and safety, offering dual 4K cameras, GPS navigation, and intelligent obstacle avoidance. It also comes with a 4.5-inch screen controller for live FPV. Customer reviews. Flyers love its obstacle avoidance system, saying it gives peace of mind when flying in crowded areas. Pros: dual 4K cameras, GPS navigation, obstacle avoidance sensors, large screen controller, brushless motors for smooth flight. Number 5. K919 MAX Drone. The K919 MAX steps up the game with a professional 4K HD dual camera, a 3-axis gimbal for stabilized footage, and 5G Wi-Fi transmission. With brushless motors and obstacle avoidance, it's perfect for cinematic aerial shots. Customer reviews. Users highlight the 3-axis gimbal, saying it produces smooth, stable footage even in windy conditions. Pros: 4K dual camera with 3-axis gimbal, obstacle avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi live FPV, brushless motor system, foldable and portable design. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best 4K drones of 2025. If you want long-range professional performance, go with the P7 Max. For a portable mini option, the V168 MAX is a winner. Beginners will love the SG109 Pro Max for its easy GPS controls. The K19 MAX stands out with its obstacle avoidance tech. And for cinematic 4K footage with gimbal stability, the K919 MAX is the best choice. Now tell me in the comments which drone would you fly first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.